Techno Vision, the next level for digital twin. Showcase your development in realistic real-time environment, where you can control the view from many perspectives around the project in addition to zoom in and out. Using the search button, you can select any unit and filter its availability if it is available, reserved, or sold, in addition to search by area and unit type. Using Surroundings button, it views the attractive point from bird's eye of view. The surrounding is divided into 5 categories where you can filter their viewport to a specific attractive point type, beside viewing the point information and its distance from the project. You can view the services provided by your development. With the weather button, we can control the sky, make it cloudy, sunny, or rain. Cut away the building to the selected floor to see the interior layout of every unit. We can move around the project using our car perspective. Fly with the drone to view the development and its surroundings from the bird's eye view. Take a walk where you can see the smallest details of your project and move around it in a realistic environment surrounding with life. Let's take the elevator. From the search, we can find any unit by searching for its number and enter it. Inside the unit, we can see the unit interior and its unique view, with the ability to zoom in and out in addition to viewing the effect of daylight on the unit interior. Another tool we have is the measurement tool, where you can measure any distance you desire from any point and direction. The interior design tool will enable the user to change the flooring material and wall paint color, in addition to furnishing his unit, with the ability to save his progress and load any previous design he created. You can edit the scale, location, and rotation of any object you place. Using the wall button, you can divide and design your unit into many partitions as you want. Add any door you want to access the newly created partition. We can use this package by touchscreen, remote, VR. Also, you could put it in your website or offline PC, tablets. Techno Vision, the next level for digital twin.